guys, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. Welcome back our channel. It's me again. So ngayon lang ako nagbalik sa vlog kasi busy. So today, before we start our vlog, please don't forget like, share, and subscribe my video. And then disclaimer lang tayo, pwede nyo isi-skip yung video ko kung ayaw nyong manood. So today, pag-usapan natin yung DY Beauty of Lemon and Honey for the glowing skin and facial cleanser for acne. So we are the tutorial today, the beauty for home remedies. So makikita ito sa kusina natin, sa loob ng kusina sa bahay natin. So not very expensive. So this is the home remedies for the glowing skin and facial cleanser for the acne. So, ang una-una, ang ingredients is lemon and then honey. So, manilagay akong honey. Ito na yung honey sa maliit lang, 1 teaspoon. So, yung lemon, we use only half lemon. So, we are honey and then lemon. So, tips number 1, so ito yun. So, nakahugas na yung mukha nyo. So, we are using for lemon and honey for the glowing skin and facial cleanser. So, ito ay nagre-remove ng mga scars, ganyan. Tapos yung mga blackheads or whiteheads sa ating mukha, ito ay makapagtanggal. So, we using only the home remedies. Let me start. So, like this. Yan, so, lang. You do it in 1 week. In 1 week, you do it 2 times. Within 15 minutes, you leave in your face. That is very easy, guys, how your glowing skin and facial cleanser for the acne. This is also the very nice DY beauty tips for the home remedies. Yun lang, guys. So you can leave for 15 minutes, guys. After that 15 minutes, you can wash your face in the warm water or cold water. After that, you can dry your face in the clean towel. After that, you feel your face is feel fresh and smooth. Yun lang, guys. Hope mayroon kayong natutunan ngayon sa vlog natin about for the DY Beauty, Lemon, and Honey. So, shout out tayo sa lahat. So, happy Eid Mubarak to all the UAE mga kapwa kong mga OFW, Saudi, Oman, kung ano man ang yung Muslim country. Happy Eid Mubarak. Yun, guys, and then enjoy the 4 days holiday. So shout out muna tayo, shout out muna kay Gang Official Vlog, Milani, Nensky, Alma, Rochelle, Ipangs, Hearts Vlog, and Familia Sangkap, Lynn Corpus from Hong Kong, Mama Simple Cooking, shout out Madam, and Tommy Turtle from London, hello, shout out. From my friend Hercules, shout out. For Lutu Jade, shout out also. For new subscriber and old subscriber, so shout out to everyone. So thank you so much for support my channel. So it's me again, so see you next my vlog. Have a nice day and happy Eid Mubarak.